Hello guys, this question is about binomial expansion, and the question is the coefficient of x to the power 18 in the expansion of x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power 3 whole bracket to the power 15 is you have to find it the coefficient of x raised to 18 in this binomial expansion. And this question is asked in JEE Main 2023 in 6 April first batch. So for finding the any coefficient of a binomial expansion, we should first know the general term of a binomial expansion. और binomial expansion की general term होती है a plus b raised to n. The nth term will be, rth term will be tr plus 1 equal to ncr a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. So it is a general term. We have to find the coefficient of x raised to 18. So to find out, we have to put n is equal to 15 and find out the general term for the rth term. So for rth term, we have the general term will be 15cr. Here a is equal to x raised to 4 and b is equal to 1 upon x cube. So here we have a is equal to x raised to 4 and b is equal to 1 upon x cube. So we have general term will be 15cr x raised to 4 to the power 15 minus r and 1 upon x cube की power r. It will be the rth term. So let's proceed. X raised to power 4 and it is to the power 15 minus r, so the powers will be multiplied. It will become x to the power 60 minus 4r, because 15 4 is 60 and 4 into r gives minus 4r. Also in this bracket we have 1 upon x cube will become x to the power minus 3 and to the power r. So the formula applied is x to the power a to the power m will become x to the power am. Now let's simplify it. It will become x to the power 60 minus 4r and minus 3r will add up 60 minus 7r. So we have to find the coefficient of 18th term. So we have to put this coefficient equal to 18, because coefficient of x is 60 minus 7r. So 18 is equal to 60 minus 7r, which gives 60 minus 18 is equal to 7r, which gives 7r is equal to 42, which implies that r equal to 6. So the 7th term will give coefficient of x raised to 18. Now we have to actually find out what will be the coefficient. In order to do that, in order to find the coefficient of x to the power 18, since we have derived that r is equal to 6, so we have put r equal to 6 in our general term. Here we have put 6, here we have put 6, and here also we have substituted 6. So just we have to find the coefficient. So the coefficient will be 15c6 and here it will be it is a minus term, so minus 1 to the power 6. So our answer will be 15c6 and minus 1 to the power 6 will become 1, and 15c6 comes out to be 15 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 15 minus 6 factorial. It will come as 15 factorial divide by 6 factorial into 7 factorial, and it will come out to be, actually we have to calculate the term, it will come out to be 5005. So our answer is 5005, which gives the coefficient of x raised to 18. Just we have to memorize the general formula for the rth term of binomial expansion and we can calculate it easily. So I hope you get the content of this video and you like the content. So I will be posting such type of videos on my channel. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.